I have a very special unboxing videos for all of you. Typically, I don't purchase luxury handgoods, but this time my husband wanted to give me something small but nice as an anniversary gift. So he took me to Bergdorf Goodman in New York City. So when we were there, I saw the Swatch, Chanel's wallet on chains, and I knew immediately that these were the items I wanted. The sales associate told me that this variation of the wallet in gold hardware and caviar leather is something that's very hard to find. So I was very excited that I was able to take it home with me that day. Alright, so let's get to the unboxing.